Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we are doing some cleaning, some cooking, getting ready for the week. My husband just took the boys out for hopefully, I'm hoping for about 2 hours. So I need to get some cooking done, which includes meal prep and just preparing some food throughout the whole week, and then just tidying up throughout the house. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just kind of tidying up and picking up a couple of things that I don't normally get to clean when the boys are here, just because it gets kind of hard. Anyways, I was able to do a couple of things before they left. I hard-boiled some eggs, I made some oatmeal, and I made a couple of pancakes, but I still have a lot of food to do and I have a lot of cleaning to do. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So here I have my steel cut oatmeal. Down here I have some banana and egg pancakes. I'm going to make some more pancakes, and this is my homemade mixture. If you guys want a recipe, I'll link it down below, and I'll write down the recipe for you. It's just a pancake and waffle mix. I'm going to make these for my husband Michael. And then I have a couple of hard-boiled eggs that are now sitting in cold water. All the ice melted, so I'm going to peel those really soon. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go around the house and look at the walls and kind of spot clean them to see where there's any little spots on them and just wipe them down so that they look better. So yeah, let's do that. Micah was being really quiet and I wasn't sure why. I was in his bedroom with him and I had my back turned to him and I said, why is he being so quiet? And I turned around and there was crayon everywhere. Being a little dramatic, but there was crayon like on his windowsill, on his toy, on the wall, and I was like, oh my gosh. So it's been like 2 weeks and I'm finally gonna clean it. He got crayon right here, all over on his windowsill right there. You guys kind of see some right there on the screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that now. Good thing it comes off very easily. There we go, much better. dishes just to have a lot more counter space. I'm gonna start working on lunches. I'm making a salad with some chicken, some carrots, some cheese, croutons, eggs, and then I'm also gonna make little snack boxes that have like cucumbers, pepperoni, cheese, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So these are the snack boxes that I'm doing for myself. And cucumbers, carrots, turkey pepperoni, an egg, and then a little bit of cheese. So I made 3 of these, and then when I am going to eat them, I'm also going to have a little side of hummus so I can dip my veggies in. And then you guys saw me make the salad, so all the veggies, some chicken, some cheese on there. I also packed some hard-boiled eggs for Michael, and then some croutons. I'm also going to pack some dressing for him to put in there. A couple of the leftover veggies and eggs, and then I was going to cut these up, but I decided to go against it, so I'm not going to do that today. I cut up the rest of the romaine lettuce and have it in a container here to use during the week for my lunches. I have some extra cucumbers here. And I think that's pretty much it for now. I'm sure they're going to be getting home really soon. They just left Costco and they're bringing me some lunch. So I'm going to end the vlog. I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All this took maybe about 2 hours, and I feel like I got a lot done. And it's so much easier, obviously, when there isn't little people behind you trying to like get you to play with them or do something with them. So it's so nice that my husband is able to take them out for me for a couple of hours so I can get things done without worrying about them and what they're doing. So I'm happy. I'm a happy mama right now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.